Let's talk about Lightstream 2 versus Lightstream 3. Lightstream 2 came out in 2018. It was around for 1 year. And then Lightstream 3 started in 2019 and is 2020, 2021, and will continue moving forward. Biggest difference between the two is Lightstream 3 received basically an internal hard drive where we can reflash the chipset. Lightstream 2, what it was when it came off the factory floor is what it is. We cannot alter that. So moving forward, we wanted a bulb that we could control the chipset, upgrade firmware, make changes from year to year, and upgrade technology as it went. With 2018, we were frozen in time, and as technology progresses, we want to be able to progress with it. So question is, are they compatible? The short answer is no. So if you've got a Lightstream 2 home and you've got a bulb or two that goes out, you cannot put Lightstream 3 in their place and have them work. So we've got some spare bulbs. We can take care of those situations. Just keep me posted. You internally might have some as well. The long answer to that is I have been able to get them to work under normal circumstances. It's just not consistent. Sometimes those bulbs will do very odd things, and they will actually transmit signals that confuse the other bulbs. 90% of the time they worked great, but 10% during a theme change or pairing or any other function, I had some mixed results. So the biggest difference between the two that we need to address is how they receive those signals, those commands. And how we do that is through the app. But let's talk really quick. If we talked about Lightstream 2 having a black chipset. That's very obvious. Lightstream 3, let's go ahead and use one that's got the globe still on. And you can see right there, well, I mean, you can see everywhere, it's got a white chipset face versus a black. So again, this is Lightstream 2, made in 2018. This is Lightstream 3, and it was made in hopefully I got that right. This is 2018. This is 2019, 20, 21, and moving forward. So again, Lightstream 2019, 20, 21. If customer doesn't have access or doesn't want to do that or doesn't know, then simply have them go to their app while the system is set up and have them change themes. What they're going to notice and what you need to instruct them on is when these bulbs do a theme change or pair, they don't do the fast twinkle like we showed in the other video of the Lightstream 2. It actually goes dim, goes about half brightness, and they do a slow kind of fade on and off when they get their signal. So right now we're all green, so it doesn't go, again, bright green. It's half strength. And then they start kind of flashing. So we're just updating the theme on this from winter white to warm clear. And this is the best way to figure out what bulbs you have. Is, again, do a theme change. If they're dim and they take a little bit longer, then it's Lightstream 2. If during that theme change they're bright and they twinkle very, very quickly, that's how you'll know that is a Lightstream 3. So what does this mean? We've now determined that we've got Lightstream 2 or Lightstream 3. When this app, the Village Lighting app, is downloaded for the first time, it will assume that you're using Lightstream 3. Odds are that we've sold 300% more Lightstream 3 components than Lightstream 2. What we need to take away from that is we can change the firmware that the controller is going to receive. So in our managed devices, we are going to go to change firmware version, not update for bulb firmware, not update switch firmware, not update controller firmware. We are changing the firmware version. So if you click on that, it comes up and it states, and it says Lightstream bulbs manufactured. Well, it says Lightstream bulbs manufactured in 2018, which is Lightstream 2, function differently than bulbs manufactured in 2019 to present, which is Lightstream 3. You may choose to update the firmware of your controller to be compatible with your bulbs. That one we got right. Your controller is set up for Lightstream 2 2018 bulbs. So I've got this one set up correctly. These are Lightstream 2 bulbs, and I've got my controller set up for Lightstream 2. If this was on its legacy version, brand new app, it would say that your controller is set up for Lightstream 3. And I'm sure the customer's realizing that things aren't working quite as it should. They need to, again, go into Manage Devices, change firmware version, and install Lightstream 2. And it's really easy. Just hit Lightstream 2, install Lightstream 2, and it'll go through the motions. Just make sure that the homeowner does not unplug the controller and does not walk away from the controller. What's going to happen is the app is going to download the latest version onto the phone. Once it's completely updated, then it's going to transfer it over to the controller hard drive and perform the update. But it's crucial that they don't walk away from the phone. They don't separate the phone and the controller during that process, so stay put. Other than that, once that downloads and installs, then you'll be able to control your Lightstream bulbs no problem.